Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Another morning ride. Been miserable for the past few days, so I haven't been able to get out. That's why I didn't have a video on Sunday, unfortunately. I literally haven't been able to get out. The weather's been atrocious. Yeah, it's meant to be clearing up later. It's meant to be a nice sunny day today, so that would be nice. Yeah, basically just trying to get some more mileage, trying to get us up to, what are we on? We're on 216. Obviously just trying to get closer to that 250. Should I do a 250 mile review? So today's just get as many miles in as I can. Or should I say, as I can be bothered. Oh, glass everywhere, man, fuck's sake. Keys are behind me. Can't let this guy overtake me. Maybe I can. That's the kind of guys that giving it a bad name for everybody else. That docks is cameraed up to fuck, man. 24-hour CCTV. That's why I always cruise through there, man. So just go and duel and fucking catch him. At least pretend to pedal in it. Shouldn't have let the fucker get in front of me, man. I didn't know what he was on. I thought he was on like a fucking 5,000 watt thing. Absolutely flying. And now I'm thinking it might be about the same as mine, 2000. On that bridge then. If it's the busies, they'll fucking get in first and I can fucking get out of here. Which I'm guessing it's not, because he'd have turned around and shit himself. of light shining through. Yeah, it was. Morning, mate. Surprisingly mild. I thought it was going to be actually quite cold this morning. Looks like it's going to tip it down with rain, but forecast said it's going to be nice. It's a lot warmer than I thought it was going to be. I should have put my coat on now. I'm melting. There you go, sunshine. Straight on. Take it into front, lower the pedal assist, try and prolong the battery a bit, and save the throttle for a nice treat when I'm knackered coming back. As I say, it's only really a quick ride, getting some miles in. I was hoping I would have hit it by now, but like I said, I just haven't been out to get footage because the weather's been shite. I'm not too bothered about going out on the bike really, but when it's absolutely lashing it down, it's a bit fucking much. Because there's only one little downside to this bike, and it is minuscule. It's the charging port on the side there. It's just an open hole. I need to try and source like a rubber grommet or something. I thought it'd come with like a plug or piece attached to it that you just pull out to get the charger in, but it doesn't. I always forget when I'm bloody cleaning it. Spraying the hose light as I can, and then I realise, fuck, I might have got it in the charging port. Last time I had to fucking strip it down, take the battery out just to make sure. It's fucking warm, man. Definitely shouldn't have worn this fucking coat, but I cannot be arsed taking it off now. Fucking too much hassle. Morning. Ooh, she had a face like a melted welly. It looked like she'd been on the fucking 26 a day. No amount of running can aid that face. Know what I mean? I've been down this way in a bit, but it's all fucking overgrown. Oh, path covered in fucking horse shit. Dirty fucking bastards, man. And another fucking load. Fucking dirty twats. Dog owners should have to clean up their mess. Surely a horse owner should have to clean up theirs. Take a fucking rucksack with you, or a carrier, a bin bag. Chuck a load of horse shit in your bin bag, take it with you. Try and find a dog poo bin to fit that in. Morning. Quite busy this morning, bloody hell. For a weekday as well. The fuck? Morning, mate. These people riding these bikes look like they're really fucking struggling. Luckily they can't see my face. How fucking chilled and relaxed I am. Weak path? What the fuck? Morning. Fucking dirty bastards, man. A little bit fair enough, like, but oh, this isn't actually a horse down here, is it? No, dog walker. Oh, it's the bushes in the background I can see. I was like, what the fuck's that? This guy's knows the script mundo. Nobody behind me. Cool beans. Morning, mate. Thank you. Wow, that's weird. That so I've dropped below. What was I on? I was probably doing like 16, and it's not assisting me now. It's actually quite difficult to get going again. Oh, it must have been more than 16, sorry. Must be about 20, yeah, there, like. Just feel it now, helping. That's weird. It's supposed to help, even in the slower speeds. Better get out of the way, Crow. Oh shit, yeah. Just realised I haven't got much battery on the camera or memory card space. Come on, mate, if you come in. Or not. Morning. You fucking knobhead. Couldn't fucking go any slower. Fuck's sake. 221, right. If I can get to 230, I'll be quite happy. And then hopefully do a 20-mile ride at some point. Keep trying to get out at night, but say the weather just keeps going shit. Fuck knows what this guy's doing. He's doing the fucking Macarena. Mate, no one can see you doing your no hands. You look like a fucking prick. Leave him for dust because he'll fucking get me slipstream, little twat. No free rides here, dickhead. Morning. Out of the way, Mogpuss. Stay there, kidder. Fucking hell, I can tell it's been a while. My fucking legs are caned already. Where were we? Fucking pointing at, bagging up your shit and just dropping it. There's some fucking scummy bastards about, I tell you what. Don't know how they can fucking do it, man. How the fuck do you have to go? Scummy twat. Morning. I don't know what they think they look like, but they don't look like what they think they look like. They're like fucking tossers. Morning. Well, I didn't see that little cut round there. Every time I've come this way, nearly killed myself on these fucking speed bumps. Oh, that was just a stick. Fucking hell, an eye target. Fucking hell, he's out of Oasis. Thought it was Liam Gallagher for a second. Right, got to 7 mile, that'll do us. There or thereabouts. Say it round me up to about 2:30, and if I can get a 20-mile ride in at some point, which I'm hoping I can. Fuck off, pigeons, every fucking time. Yeah, if I can get a 20-miler in, be happy. possibly head down maybe the nature reserve, down that neck of the woods. Alright then, let's get going, see if we can catch anybody up on the way back. Definitely catch that fucking Liam Gallagher walk-alike. Morning, mate. Yeah, unfortunately it's the minority of wankers who ride like fucking absolute weapons. They give a bad name for the rest of us, because then everyone thinks, oh, an e-bike. Whereas most people be courteous and not try and run you over or your dog. It's just common courtesy, man. I was hoping she'd have turned off. Squeeze past again. Oh. Cheers, thank you. I think I might have just fired a stick at her. Zoe! Now I might have a chance of catching that fucking geezer. Fuck knows where Liam Gallagher went. Just got fucking sprinting, the guy. Can't tell if that's a bike or a dog walker. I think it's a bike. Yeah, it is. Definitely seems to be brightening up now. Compared to this morning. Looked like it was going back to night time. Am I gonna get past? Probably not. Won't be causing no crashes. Oh, show. He was definitely a fucking do-gooder. Looking at it like, what the fuck's that? It's a fucking e-bike, knobhead. Say the same about your piece of shit fucking bike. Why have you got the right to do 40 mile an hour and ride 2 or 3 abreast, sometimes even 4 abreast down this path? Gives you the fucking right. Plus they look like fucking dickheads with lycra on. Fucking gymnastic wankers. Is this 2 of them now? First prime example, I think. Oh no. I'll let him off. Thought they were riding 2 abreast then. Oh, shit, I haven't got my headlight on. Oh well. It's a fucking daytime, you shouldn't need your fucking headlight on. Most people with fucking eyes can see you coming. Can have more bikes, fucking well busy. Why would you want to get to work sweaty and fucking horrible? Answer me that and no more. When you could just cruise there. What's this fucking clown doing? On the right side of the path, dickhead. Morning. Honest to God, man. Every one of them seem like fucking weirdos who ride them bikes. You must have to fucking be a weirdo to ride them. Morning. Sure that was that girl I passed before. Fair do, she's got a fucking decent way then. This looks like dog walkers down here. Stopped in the middle of the path, as she do. Fucking hell. Doesn't help with knobheads walking on the wrong side of the fucking path here. Stupid twat. Stick fucking left, dickhead. Come on, mate, get through. No worries. Fucking dickhead. Cheers, mate, thank you. I love nodding to them just to fucking wind them up because they're like, hey, you're nodding at me for? Because you're a miserable cunt and it's fucking ace to wind you up. Oh, fucking mint. Proper thought that was a fucking busy then. Holy shamoly. Note to self, wear your jacket next time, knobhead. Especially when it's scorched, yo. Morning, mate. If I can see again. Your mirror keeps bouncing about. Oh, I almost caught him, that was the guy. I fucking almost caught him. If it wasn't for fucking idiots in the path, I would have caught him. Too many fucking assholes about. Don't know how to use the fucking path. Oh, I'll walk on the wrong side. Into people as they come towards me. Fucking stand up again. Oh, my legs have gone numb. It's in trouble about having a seat so low, but I cannot have it high up, man. Looks fucking shit with it dead high up. Fucking hell's this guy doing? Prime example, fucking strange people. Down to 2 bar. Man. Got a right waft then. Hit with the vapours. Morning. Fucking hell, didn't notice that this morning. Whole fucking gate's gone. Morning. Ay, 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 ay. What are we on? Oh, we're nearly at 2:30. That'll do for me. Yeah, I'll try and get a 20 mile ride in as soon as I can, and then it's primed for the 250 then. So I'll probably try and round it up to 250. Then I'll probably do a scooter video. I haven't done one in a while, and then get cracking on the 250 review. But yeah, there we are, 2:30. Thank you to everybody who watches, likes, comments and subscribes, very much appreciated. So I'm just starting out, it's helping the channel massively. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.